Hi guys, so today we're making salt bread. When you're making salt bread, you're going to start with 2 cups of flour. So this pakima, it makes the dough. And these ingredients, you don't need to go buy them out. You only put it on medium on top. Some color. Hi guys, so today we're making salt bread. When you're making salt bread, you need the following ingredients. And these ingredients, you don't need to go buy them out. You can find them in your own household. So we have flour, instant yeast, some salt, cooking oil, and steam masala. This steam masala for it, it's option. If you want, you can put it. If you want, you can leave it. It's optional. You don't need to use it. Yeah. Then our bowl for mixing. Today we're going to make salt bread. We're going to start with 2 cups of flour. So this pakima, it makes the dough rise. You can put some ginger, like the tea masala. I mean, I use tea masala because it makes the dough smell nice. Put in a little bit, like half a teaspoon. It's an option. You can cheat it if you don't want. So after, we're going to put in a teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to first mix this. I'm going to first mix our dry. So we're going to mix our dry ingredients. We're going to put it in low because it's dough. After mixing, warm water. Lukewarm water is water that is not cold and it's not hot, it's just a little bit warm. Just put in slowly. Only put it on medium. Then after, you can put in some little flour. It also helps the bread not to catch down when it's ready. After that, we get our dough, cut a small piece, then we put it on a surface that has in some flour. So you flatten it a little bit. After, you roll it until it's flat. Then you close the ends. And after you put it on your surface, after that you can put in some oil on top. Smear it all over so that it's soft. Put it on your surface. After putting your dough in this glass bowl or any bowl you have that can be used in an oven, you can cover it so that it can rise again for like an hour or two. You can cover it with a cloth, these nice clean clothes. May have a nice clean cavera or paper. Let it set for like an hour or two. Then we shall put it in an oven. In our oven, the bottom and the top, so that you can warm up the oven for like 10 minutes. So after your bread has risen, you put it in the oven. Just look like this. So after you add the temperature up to 45 degrees Celsius, then we wait for it to bake. After it has started getting ready, to add in some color, we put it back in. So guys, when it came out of the oven, this is how it was looking like. As you can see, it's delicious, nice, soft, and tasty. So guys, you can try it at home. It's very easy. You can even use your own hands to make it. No need of machines. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification button below.